Raise your blind on both sides.
Yeah, raise the blind.
Oh, there you go.
There he is. He got his horse moving.
We're gonna rob each and every one of them.
All right.
We take gold money, pocket change,
All
jewelry,
right. Here,
and
you
then
can have this
fancy
bottle.
gold teeth.
I don't have any money.
I don't have money. I don't have false teeth.
Then get some from him. We were not looking for gold teeth. We're looking for gold teeth.
I don't have those either.
I don't have any gold teeth.
No.
You want?
Quit
You
trying.
want these? 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 These?
He did
Gold
not
teeth,
just.
gold teeth.
Oh,
It's gonna hurt your eyes looking at that thing.
There's another one. See him, he already took our money.
Twin brother.
Yeah, but she's got all the blank. That guy,
That's right. She's got
he takes the money, I take the other. See, that's all she's got left.
Oh,
no, here's another one.
I have no blade.
Yeah, it's a little bit. How come you didn't stick your head in that door this morning? You guys are
afraid.
We saw you. You're the one. We wanted you to go into the manure, but no.
He brought you a present.
No wonder you have this over your nose.
I get the fresh ones on there.
Not
I
the
go
old
up
one.
with green face or green chest and I say, okay, I'll let it dry up. Only one that does it like that. You must be the ghost of the guy I got.
Were they dirty, crusty looking?
Yes.
buggers?
Yes.
Any of them smell like hay coming out?
No, wait a minute.
outside?
Wait a minute.
Smell like
Oh, the guy in the manure with the hat.
Dumb
and
in
the
a bag of
manure.
hammers?
Yeah.
That was Cataract Creek gang. Now, were there any serious injuries in here? Any serious?
Yes, right here, right
They
here.
just took their money.
I've seen knee surgery.
We didn't get all our jewelry back. They took everything.
They took your virtue, didn't they, sir? Yeah, that's why he's smiling. huh?
Yeah, they cheated, but I wouldn't let
I can't get that back for you.
I
It's
never
gone.
gave it to him.
He was the virgin. How many of you Not were robbed? All right, listen up. Now, I am going to catch these boys. I'm going to take them into custody. I'm going to get your money back. Now, what you're going to need to do, when we get back to Williams, you're going to board this train. You're going to walk 1 block south from the depot to the marshal's office. When you arrive at my office, I will expect you to bring me photocopies of the bills they stole from you, front and back side, with the correct serial numbers and name of the Secretary of Treasury. We also require a $100 non-refundable deposit. We'll be glad to